Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel DLayerV. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I create this very glowy, everyday, flawless foundation makeup look. And if you're watching me in this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and watch this video. While you're here, may I suggest that you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notifications just so that you'll be notified whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. I upload new videos every Tuesdays and Fridays at 6 p.m. I love creating content about beauty product reviews, makeup tutorials, productivity tips and digital tools. So if you want to know how to recreate this flawless, glowy, everyday makeup look, then please keep on watching. To begin the makeup, I'm going to be showing you what I use for my eye cream. I'm using the vitamin E and the tea tree range from the Body Shop. For my SPF, I always go in with a highest possible SPF, and this is the Skin Defense, also from the Body Shop. Always make sure to choose products that are according to your skin type. And now, just to do some makeup prep, I'm going to be priming my face with this Too Faced Hangover Hydrating Primer. I really like it. I like it for days when even my oily skin tends to get a little dry, and I'm just applying it liberally all over my face. I like how it stays. I like how the primer keeps my skin hydrated. Moving on, I'm going to be using the Dermablend 3D Correction Foundation. This is from Vichy. I believe I already have a review on this product. I'll put a link to the iCard over on the top right hand corner. I'm just going to be applying this Vichy Dermablend 3D Correction Foundation all over my face. And I'm going to be using a flat foundation brush, and I'm going to be wetting the brush with a little bit of thermal spring water. And because the product is a little bit difficult to maneuver, just because of its consistency, it's a little bit on the thicker side, but with a wet brush it kind of eliminates the whole problem. Then moving on to a buffing brush, I'm just going to be buffing all over the areas for a smoother finish. To cover any under-eye darkness and imperfection peeking through the foundation, I'm going to be moving in with my peach corrector from the LA Girl Pro Conceal range. And I also have, I believe it's called medium beige, and this is almost my skin color, and I'm just going to be going over the areas where my imperfections need a little extra coverage. I especially love the Sigma concealer brush. You just have to dab wherever you've applied the concealer, and the blending, this brush does the work for you. See how flawless it actually gets the concealer to buff out, and it's really nice. It's really soft on my under eye area. It's not scratchy or pokey. I feel like I can get really close to the inner corners of my eyes. And now to set the face, I'm not going to be going in with a matte face compact. Instead, I'm going to be using this set of 3 glowy powders that I got from Catrice, and it's really affordable. It's been around in my makeup collection for a couple of years. I'm taking the Skin Light color that's the first on the palette, and I'm just going to be dusting it all over my under eye area just for that natural lit from within glow. As you can see, it does give a little bit of coverage, but when you see it in person, you will see that it has a very little amount of, I want to say, sheen. It's not so much of glitter. I'm going to be using the other end of this brush, and I'm going to be taking the darker color, and I'm not going to be doing any contouring, so this darker shade kind of makes a little bit of contouring for my perimeters of my face, and I usually would take it all over the places where I usually would contour. I love the color. For the subtle highlight, I'm going in with the middle shade, which is the lightest of them all. I'm just going to be taking it down the bridge of my nose and the inner corners of my eyes, as well as my cupid's bow. I believe I'll just take it a little bit right under beneath my brow bone. It's very subtle and it's very nice, and it's appropriate for everyday use. Moving on, I'm going to be drawing my eyebrows. I'm going to be using I believe this is the ColourPop's Banging Brunette Eye Pencil. I have the last leg on this piece and I'm just drawing my eyebrows. This is how I would typically do my makeup if I'm going to be working from a coffee joint. Usually I would skip eyeliner because, to be practical, it just takes a little bit more extra time when I'm rushing out. A good eyebrow really does frame the face, and I can actually go without any eyeliner, but I would not skip out on mascara though. I just want to add a little tiny bit more color to my face. I feel like I just need some. I love the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. You can't go too much with this product. As you can see, it just adds a little warmth of fresh, good health onto the skin. Good way to mimic good health. It's really nice and medium skin tone, and I can definitely see how lighter skin tones will also love this bronzer. I usually curl my eyelashes off camera, but today I have it on camera for some reason. I love primping my lashes because it gives a little bit of good foundation for the mascara to set and settle on, and it doesn't make my lashes droopy. That's one of the reasons why a good eyelash color is necessary. Mine is from Shu Uemura. I got this for a Christmas gift. And I'm just using up my mascara, my favorite mascara of the moment. I usually get mine from Catrice and they're really good. And I'm coating my lashes, up and bottom lashes, with a few coats of mascara. For everyday wear, I usually stick with a mauvey neutral lip color, something that fades off and I don't need to do a lot of touching up and it doesn't require too much of maintenance. I usually would stick with a color combo of such. I'm lining my lips with MAC lip liners. I believe this is called Absolutely Lit. I love this color. It has a tiny tinge of warm red brown and a lot more grey. And I'm topping the lip liner with the Sephora Wonderful Cream Lip Stain. I believe this is called Wonderful Rosy. And I'm just going to be topping it up with Elegals Glazed Lip Paint in the shade Flood, and this completes my makeup look. That's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this flawless everyday glowy makeup look that I put together for you. If you did enjoy, then give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, please do so. It's free of charge. Click on the subscribe button down here. Don't forget to click on the bell to be updated and notified whenever new videos like this go up on my channel, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys!